Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So in this video we are going to solve match the following questions and I will tell you my approach, okay? And this approach will help you in your pre and mains both examinations. Plus if you want to purchase any of these 4000 questions smart practice book of test book, then all the links are given in description of all the books. You can go and purchase. The books are available in both Hindi and English languages. So now let's start the questions. So first of all, there is these type of questions, and in these type of questions what I used to do, I used to check them by the option. Okay, there is no need to read these sentences. You just take the options one by one and start making the pairs. So first of all, C and F. Consumer sentiments and sensibilities at the cusp of one such inflection point, they are not making any sense, so it is wrong. Okay, then C and E. Consumer sentiments and sensibilities may evolve beyond what the market offers, so it is making the sense that the consumer sentiment and sensibility may evolve beyond what the market offer. They can want more. Okay, so C and D is making the sense. Then A and D, newer model of business operations slows down. So here business operations is given, it is plural, but here slows is given, and verb plus S and es is used with the singular thing. Okay, not the plural. So A and D will, it is not correct grammatically. Then B and F, as a result the market at the cusp of one such inflection point, it is not making any sense. Okay, as a result the market at the cusp of one such inflection point, so it is not making any sense. Our answer will be B, C and E. So this is the way. Okay, you do not need to read these sentences, you just need to check them by the options, and if you find one correct answer, then do not forget to check other options also. Okay, because many times there is the case when we seem to think that two sentences are correct and then we have to choose one, so this situation can also be there. Okay, so do not forget to check all the options. Now we will move to next question. So there is this question, I will show you how to solve it. First of all, there is A and D and B and F. A and D, climate change has sometimes been dismissed that millions will need food aid in the coming days. So climate change has sometimes been dismissed, it has been dismissed, like we ignore climate change, that millions will need food aid in the coming days. It is not making the sense with D. Okay, so we will not check B and F. Then there is C and F. Food charities have warned by journalists as a slow burn issue. It is also not making any sense, like why the food charities have been warned by the journalist. It is not connected. Then there is B and D. Border closure due to the virus as well as that millions will need food. Here border closure due to the virus as well as, here like something like virus should have been here at the place of that. Okay, so it is also wrong. Now we will check the last option, B and E. Border closure due to the virus as well as sickness could yet hit agriculture and delivery. So border closures due to the virus. First of all, the effect of virus is border closure, and then the sickness. Okay, like borders are closed and sickness is also caused by the virus, and the virus can hit agriculture and delivery. So it is making the sense. B and D will be our right answer. All right, so this is the approach. We will solve one more questions to make you understand in a better way. First of all, there is A and F. In the light of health sector experts and experiences of other countries, somewhat to permit people to buy food and other necessities. So first of all, the health sector experts and experiences of other countries, like who are they to permit the people to buy food and other necessities? Okay, it is not making any sense. Then there is second option, A and D. In the light of health sector experts and experiences of other countries, the nation is taking a very important decision today. Yeah, it is making the sense that in the light of health sector expert and experiences of other country, the nation is taking a very important decision today. Then B and F. The authorities have since eased the curfew somewhat to permit people to buy food and other necessities. It is also correct that when the curfew is eased to permit the people to buy food and other necessities. Sometimes during the COVID the same situation was there, the curfew was eased to, like, there was a time that people can go out and buy the groceries. Okay, so this is the same case here, so it is totally making sense. But we will not forget to check other options C and D. But can such draconian measures copied in part from China contain the nation is taking a very important decision? No, it is not connected. All right, then A and D, in the light of health sector expert and experience of other countries, the pandemic in such a densely populated developing country as India, they are not connected. Okay, so the our right option will be A and E and B and F. So this is it. This is to for my approach how I solve these type of questions. You need to first check the options and then you will read the sentences. So this is the approach, and by using this approach you will solve the questions very fastly. Okay, very soon you will solve the questions and you will solve them with accuracy also. So that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.